after what we have learned in the last class, where it is easy for you. Okay, now let's move on the next section of this chapter. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's move on. Chapter 3, more on Excel. Now let's move on with small recap. Filtering data. Filtering data. What do you mean by a filtering data? A filtering is an object that separates a things that cannot pass through it from the things that passes through it. The filter features of Excel separates the information as record from the given set of list. Then steps in filtering data. Step 1, click on data tab. Step 2, click on the filter option in the sort and filter group. Step 3, drop down arrows are added in front of the heading of all the selected column. Then step 4, click on the drop down arrow present on the column heading country. Step 5, click on drop down option. Step 1, select the entire column heading, that is from A2 to E2, and copy them. A2 to E2. A2 means see this Excel sheet A2. See A2. Name of the player, that is the A2 column. A2 to E2. E2 means 50S. 50S. The column 50S. That is E2. Select the entire column heading cells, that is from A2 to E2, and copy them. This A2 to E2, name of the player, highest score, average 100S, 50S. Then paste them in cell anywhere on the worksheet outside the present list, say A14 to E14. Leave at least one blank row between your criteria range and the given data list. See A14 to E14, paste A14 to E14. Then third step, in the cell below the heading highest score, that is B15, type less than or equal to 150 without the quotation mark. Less than or equal to 150. All of you see less than or equal to 150. Then next, fourth step, in the cell below the heading 100S, that is D15, type 17 without the quotation mark. D15 100S column greater than 17. Next, fifth step, click on the data tab. Click on the data tab. Click the data tab. Then click on the advanced command under the sort and filter group to open advanced filter dialog box. Advanced filter dialog box. See advanced. Click advanced filter dialog box. That time see, choose the copy to another location option to prepare a filtered list at a new place below the criteria defined in the worksheet. Choosing the filter the list in place option will override the original list. Copy to another location. Click copy to another location. 8th step, click in the list range type box. Click and drag mouse to select cell A2 to E2. 9th step, click in the criteria range type box. Click and drag mouse to select A14 to E15. This is list range. Next, criteria range. Then next copy to. Select in the copy to text box. Then click in cell A17. Then click on OK button. Then click on OK button. All of you see this? Unfiltered and filtered list. Unfiltered and filtered list. A filtered list of the batsmen having the highest score of 150 or more runs and having 100 as less than 17 will appear on your screen. See on your screen. The filtered list and the original list on your screen will look similar. All of you see? Display the records that meet a complex set of criteria using advanced filter. Next, conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. MS Excel gives you an advanced formatting feature known as conditional formatting. MS Excel gives you an advanced formatting feature known as conditional formatting. This feature enables you to apply formatting to only those cells in the worksheet which satisfy particular condition. The formatting is not applied to the cell which do not satisfy the condition. First step, click on the home tab. Then see this. These are the alignments. Then click on conditional formatting. Second step, click on the conditional formatting tool in the style group to open a drop down menu. See, this is the drop down menu. Highlight cell rule, top bottom rule, data bar, color scale, icon set. Then click on highlight cell rule. See, this is the between. Click on between. Format cells that are between 5 and 5. See, this is the red color. Show highlight cell rule option is used to apply formatting highlight. Red color highlight height between rule is used. Then select this cell, then click on conditional formatting, highlight cell between. See, between 55 and 164. See, between 155 and 164, 150, 79, 79, 139, 96. Highlight color. Screen, all of you see highlight sheet with conditional formatting of between rule. This is the use for between rule. Next, the top bottom rule. The top bottom rule. The top bottom rule option shows or may be used to find the top 10 item or bottom 10 item. Top and bottom 10% of items, average, above, below, average item, etc. If you select the bottom 10 item options, it will open the bottom 10 items. See, click on conditional formatting. See top bottom rule. Click top 10 item. See this top 10 item. Yellow color, show the yellow color. Top 10 item shows yellow color. Then change this color. Top 10 item green color. Then change light red color. Changing all colors. This sheet with the conditional formatting of bottom 10 item rule. Okay, all of you understood? Next portion, charts. What do you mean by chart? All of you know about chart. What do you mean by chart? All of you seen different type of graphs and diagrams showing rates of the team partnership between batmen, run per over area, were run taken, etc. Data can be interpreted well and when represented in the form of picture or drawing a graphics. These graph and diagram are known as chart. All of you see, click on insert button. See, these are the chart. Chart type. First chart, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter, then other charts. Other charts. Click column chart. Click column chart. Column chart means what? This is the column chart. When data is given over a period of time or comparison is to be made among items. What do you mean by column chart? When data is given over a period of time or comparison is to be made among items. Next chart, line chart. See this line chart. When trend of data over a period of time is given. When trend of data over a period of time is given. Next one, pie chart. See, this is the pie chart. 2D pie, 3D pie. When there is only one row or column of data, each item is to be shown as proportional to the sum of all the items. When there is only one row or column of data and each item is to be shown as proportional to the sum of all the items. Next is bar chart. See, this is the bar chart. When comparison among individual items is to be shown. When comparison among individual items is to be shown. Next is area chart. Area chart when the size of an item is to be highlighted. Next is scatter. Scattered means when large set of data are to be compared without reference of time. Next one, other chart. See, other chart, stock, surface, donut, bubble and radar. Next one, stock. Stock means when scientific data or market status is to be plotted. Next, surface. Surface chart. When a combination between two set of data is to be found or when both data and column row headings are numeric. Next, donuts. Donut chart. It is the same as a pie chart. It is the same as a pie chart. But is in the shape of donut. But is in the shape of donuts. Next, bubble chart. When both data and column, row headings and numeric are comparison in item is to be shown by difference in size of markers like bubbles. Next one, radar. See, this is a radar. When the total value of different data series is to be compared. When the total value of different data series is to be compared. Now let us create a chart from data list of popular Indian team batsmen by following these steps. First step, select your entire list from A2 to E2. Select the entire list A2 to E2. Then select. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Then under this chart group, click any of the arrow to open option. Various type of chart are available in that category. Then click on column chart. Then click 2D column. Click 2D column. See, the chart is coming. Chart is coming. Arun, Sanju, Shibu, Varun. See this chart, highest score or highlight blue color. Then next score average red color, 100s green color, 50s that is dark blue color. Dark blue color. Answer these questions. What are charts? What are charts? Why do you use them? Why do you use them? I think all of you understood this chapter. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.